Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
For this, get a small to medium saucepan and put in 1 apple cut up. Now, any apple's fine, I've chosen pink lady apples. Then put some water in. Now the water you want to just cover the apples, just be enough so it would cover them, so that's fine. Now turn your heat on and boil this until the apples are soft, and just keep checking every now and then to make sure the water doesn't dissolve. But to do that could take 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, they're ready. Nice and soft. I just strain that and put it in something that you're going to puree it with. Put in the softened apples. Now get 1 mango and cut it up into little squares and just put it in there. Pour it in. Yum. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful.
Simple cooking channel.